Welcome. I'm Adrian Cross. Today, the Legal Flash Check, a 10-minute pre-launch radar you run before any product push, contract signature, or public announcement. The promise is simple. Catch small legal or reputational flashes before they become expensive rollbacks. We'll give you 5 signals, 3 enforcement rules, 2 constrained AI prompts, 3 copy-paste examples, and a 7-day pilot you can implement immediately. Make your next move count.
Quick note, I like that we're time-boxing this. 10 minutes makes it habitual instead of burdensome. Patterns create power, right? So let's jump into the core idea.
Exactly. Hook launches fail not just from bad strategy, but from missed legal flashes. A short, targeted scan beats a long, late review because it preserves optionality. You catch provable failure modes when they're cheap to fix.
So the core insight is about timing and signal fidelity. Run small scans early, require evidence lines for any flag, and treat this as triage, not legal clearance. That keeps the habit useful rather than performative.
Move 1. The 5-signal radar. This is the only scanning checklist you run. No more, no less. For each signal, you must capture one quoted evidence line that triggered the flag. Signal 1. Regulatory scope. Look for activities that change who can regulate you or how you're regulated. Probe copy-paste. Does this change who has enforcement power over this activity? Example evidence line to capture. We will begin offering cross-border advisory services to EU customers next quarter.
Signal 2?
Signal 2. Contractual triggers. Check for clauses that auto-trigger obligations, penalties, or termination when you change a term or integrate a partner. Probe. Does this change create automatic payment, notice, or termination events? Evidence line example. Partner will terminate this agreement if uptime drops below 99.9% for 2 consecutive months. If that's true, you stop and model consequences.
Good. That one often hides in integrations. A seemingly innocuous API change can cascade into contract risk.
Signal 3. Personal/customer exposure. Ask whether the change increases risk to identifiable individuals, employees, customers, or executives in a way that creates direct liability or reputational harm. Probe. Does this expose personal data or decision authority tied to a person? Evidence. Automated emails will include customer billing details pulled from raw logs.
Signal 4?
Signal 4. Data transformations. Any change that changes semantics, combining datasets, creating inferred attributes, or reclassifying user data can create new compliance obligations or surprise downstream consumers. Probe. Are we changing the meaning or sensitivity of data used by systems or partners? Evidence example. We will merge behavioral logs with health survey responses to score engagement. That should trigger a deeper look.
And the 5th?
Signal 5. Public claim tightness. Any external assertion, marketing, roadmap, press release, blog post needs to be checked for accuracy and scope. Probe. Does this claim assert a legal, safety, or performance guarantee? Evidence example. Our new feature guarantees 100% accuracy in identifying fraud. That phrasing flags both regulatory scrutiny and consumer protection risk.
Quick recap. Those 5 signals: regulatory scope, contractual triggers, personal/customer exposure, data transformations, public claim tightness. Each requires a single quoted evidence line to avoid shallow checks. That keeps the ritual honest.
Move 2. Enforcement patterns. 3 low-friction rules you attach to commits. Rule 1. One-line pre-launch gate. Every launch note or PR must include a single line, legal flash check status, cleared, flagged, signals, evidence, ... If flagged, the commit cannot be merged without step 2 or 3.
Rule 2?
Rule 2. Mandatory sensitivity tag. Any artifact that touches signals gets a sensitivity tag, for example S1 through S5, in your tracking system. That tag forces a human reviewer before go live. It's binary: tag present,
Human review required. No exceptions.
And Rule 3?
Rule 3. Two-step legal ping for edge cases. First ping. Notify a pre-approved reviewer pool with the evidence line and one-sentence context. If reviewer response is no objection within 24 hours, proceed. If not, escalate to named legal sign-off. This keeps launches moving while preserving accountability.
Those enforcement patterns are lightweight but auditable, which is the point. Avoid checkbox rituals while creating traceable decisions. Precision drives agency.
Move 3. AI patterns. 2 constrained prompts you can run against meeting notes, drafts, or threads. Important constraint. Every AI output must include source quotes and a confidence band, and a one-line human sanity check before any mitigation is accepted.
From the following notes, extract the single strongest legal or regulatory flag in one line, include the exact source quote that triggered it, and provide a confidence score between 0.0 and 1.0, along with a one-sentence reason. Use this on meeting notes or draft memos to surface the top flag and where it came from.
Quick example output. The model might return flag, data transformations risk, source quote. We will join user survey responses to purchase history. Confidence, 0.86. Reason. Combining sensitive survey data with purchase profiles increases re-identification and creates new compliance obligations. That gives the team an actionable pointer and source line.
Propose a one-line mitigation or safer phrasing with provenance. Given the flagged line and its source quote, produce a single alternative phrasing or mitigation action, explain the provenance in one sentence, and give a confidence score. The key is the AI provides a starting mitigation that references the same source material, not a generic suggestion.
Example for the earlier flag. Mitigation. Delay merging data sets and replace survey fields with aggregated scores. Provenance. Avoids re-identification by removing direct survey items. Confidence, 0.78. Then the team either implements or routes this mitigation through the two-step ping.
2 important guardrails we apply to AI outputs. Return the exact source quotes, include a numeric confidence band, and require a one-line human sanity check before applying the mitigation. Pilot these prompts on non-sensitive launches until you calibrate thresholds.
Now the fast path, a 7-day pilot you can run immediately. Day 1, pick 4 imminent launches, e.g. pricing change, partner integration, external announcement, automation rollout. Day 2, run the 5-signal radar on each and capture evidence lines. Day 3, tag sensitivity and run the AI prompt A on meeting notes. Day 4, collect AI flags and propose mitigations with prompt B. Day 5, run the 2-step legal ping for edge cases. Day 6, implement low-effort mitigations and record decisions. Day 7, review outcomes, adjust thresholds, and the evidence requirement. Log every flagged item and the action taken.
3 quick copy-paste examples you can use now. Example A, pricing change announcement. Evidence probe. We will publish new enterprise pricing that includes custom SLAs. If flagged for contractual triggers, add legal flash check status, flagged, contractual triggers, evidence, custom SLAs. Example B, partner integration. Evidence probe. We will hand partner X restricted API access to write customer profiles. If flagged for data transformations or personal exposure, tag S3 and run the ping. Example C, external announcement. Probe. Claim. Our model achieves 95% false positive reduction. If flagged for public claim tightness, rephrase to internal evaluation shows a 95% reduction in sample tests, subject to further validation.
And remember the mitigations for the top risks we considered while designing this. Keep the check rigid and time-boxed to avoid becoming a slow checkbox. Require quoted evidence. Frame this as triage, not legal advice. And constrain AI to return quotes, a confidence band, and a human sanity check. Those mitigations keep the rig useful and safe.
Final quick guidance. Embed the one-line pre-launch gate in your commit and PR templates. Make sensitivity tags part of your release checklist and run the 2 AI prompts only when context is present. Poor context yields poor flags. Then run the 7-day pilot, log results, and iterate. Clarity is leverage.
If you can commit 10 minutes before every external move to this ritual, you'll catch many costly reversions early. And when you do hit an actual legal sign-off, you'll have a clean audit trail explaining why the escalation happened. The system reveals the truth.
That wraps the legal flash check. Fast action. Run it on your next launch this week. If you found this useful, subscribe for daily briefings that keep your decisions sharp. Stay agentic.